Good girl.
Hey, you're weird looking. Mouse, be nice. Yeah.
Here for a slap in the face.
Yeah, be nice. She's not gonna hurt
Good girl,
you.
Penny.
She's a big goober girl.
And he's like, can I sniff your butt?
Is this a dog?
Yeah, good girl.
Good Penny, good Penny.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay, Mouse. Good girl. Good girl. Yes.
I think Penny thinks this is a dog or something.
Yeah, this is a weird looking dog.
It's an animal.
What do you think?
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Yep.
There's another.
Samantha's like, what the hell have you brought into my house? Samantha, she probably weighs more, well, maybe weighs more than you. Big fat cat, you.
Oh, no.
Yeah? What do you think, Pinster? What do you think, huh?
I'd rather play with Bart. He smells better.
He plays more like me.
Good girl, Penny.
Her tail's wagging. She's
Yeah, good girl.
very curious.
Samantha knows how to